Hello friends, welcome to Education 24/7 channel. In this lecture, we will study NCERT class 6, chapter number 8, which is last chapter of geography class 6. The last chapter is India, climate, vegetation and wildlife. Hello friends, welcome to Education 24/7 channel. Friends, in this lecture, we will study NCERT class 6 chapter number 8, which is last chapter of geography, that is India, climate, vegetation and wildlife. Friends, if you are new on the channel, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment your questions and opinion on the comment box. And if you have not watched our previous NCERT videos, then you may go on the channel list and watch those videos. Friends, for our comfortable, we will study the whole chapter into 2 lectures. So in the first lecture, we will study about only climate, and in the second lecture, we will study about vegetation and wildlife. So here, I would tell you that all the 3 terms, that is climate, vegetation and wildlife, are interrelated terms. So we have to learn all the terms, then we will able to understand the whole of the 3 terms with reference to India. So in this lecture, we will study about climate. Friends, before studying about climate, we have to know about 2 major important terms. The first term is weather, and friends, the second term is season. Friends, both the terms are synonymous and there is no more difference between these 2 terms. But these 2 terms are differentiated on the basis of time. Friends, for the term weather, we may say that any changing phenomenon on the atmosphere or any changing phenomenon in atmosphere which occur for the small period. Here the important term is small period. Friends, if any changing phenomenon occur in the atmosphere for a small amount of time, then this changing phenomenon would amount to weather. For example, the time may be 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week. Friends, but instead of this 1 day or 2 day or 1 week, when the changing phenomenon occur for the long term, for for example 2 month, 3 month or more time, then the same changing phenomenon would amount to season. So here, on the basis of changing phenomenon in the atmosphere, we found 4 major seasons on the territory of India. So those 4 major seasons are, so the friends, the first one is winter season. As we know, winter season. And the term of or the period of winter season starts from December and ends in February. Friends, when we have already studied about rotation and revolution of the earth, friends, when the location of northern hemisphere is far away, or when the southern hemisphere is still towards the sun, then the northern hemisphere receives low amount of sun ray. So due to this reason, the northern hemisphere feels cold. So the same thing happened with India. The sun ray falls in India in very low amount. So due to this reason, the period which is December to February, India feels cold changing phenomenon, So the all the territory of India feels cold and which is known as winter. The second is summer season. Friends, the term of summer season is from March to May. We may understand the same thing with the help of rotation and revolution. If you have not watched the video of rotation and revolution, then please go and watch that video to understand the whole concept. Friends, let's suppose this is the earth, and when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, then this hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere, receives high amount of sun rays, and due to this reason this hemisphere feels more temperature. As we know that India is located in north hemisphere and eastern longitude, so due to this reason India feels so much heat, and March to May it receives more heat, so the season is called summer season. Friends, the last season is rainy season. Rainy season which occur from June to September. And the fourth one is autumn season. Autumn season which occur from October to November. Friend, due to these changing season, the whole territory of India feels different type of changing phenomena. Friends, here we will study rainy season. Rainy season. Dear friends, rainy season is the result of onset or advance of monsoon. Rainy season is result of or demarcated by onset of advance of monsoon. Friends, in India, the rainy season occurred due to two major important monsoon. The first monsoon which is found in Arabian Sea, and the second monsoon which is found in Bay of Bengal is also known as southwest monsoon. Friends, when the wind contain high amount of water and moisture, and due to the difference of temperature, when these winds moves towards the land, then the coastal areas and some part of land feels high amount of rain, and as the winds moves into the land surface, the amount of rain decreases, and in the northwest part of India we see that this part feels very low amount of rain. Friends, the term monsoon comes from the Latin word which means season. Monsoon is Arabic word. Monsoon is Arabic word which means season. Mosim is the Arabic word which means seasons. So with the Arabic word mosim, the monsoon word is originated. Friends, when we average many weathers, average of weathers is known as climate. Friends, if suppose many weathers, when we average those weathers, the term which comes after the average, this will amount climate. So friends, the average duration of the climate is about 32 years. means in every 32 year of cycle the climate changes. Friends, the climate is affected due to altitude, location, height, temperature, land and some other phenomenon. Due to these differentiations, we feel that the northern part is covered with snow every year, whereas the northeast part feels high amount of rainy season. The coastal areas feels moderate amount of rainy season. The coastal areas are neither very hot or not very cold. The temperature is moderate here, and the middle area also feels some mixed type of season here. So here is the small introduction of climate. I hope you understand the whole concept here. The whole concept in depth we will study in class 9th when we will study Indian geography, and the rest of the part, that is vegetation and wildlife, we will study in second lecture. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment your questions and opinion. So till then, stay safe. Goodbye.